Okay guys, have a new camera. Babe is making food.
Trying out a new recipe on my husband. Because he's the only one around that tests my recipes now. Because I am still doing recipes. We're going to have one being put out this month. Somehow we missed December. I had it all planned out to what I was going to be putting out. And it must have been the holidays, Christmas. There was a lot going on in Luperon. Yeah. Sorry. We were doing the festivities around here. But anyways, this is I'm trying out a new recipe. So, I think it's going to be really good. But we have to test it first before it ever goes on our recipe. So I might keep these a little bit chunkier.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna get out of the kitchen and stop capturing all Danielle's secrets. There's Danielle right there. But and this is the phone I got rid of, so getting hard to see the screen and actually take videos. But yeah, I will do a video on how we do our videos, and we actually don't use computers for editing, so I'll go over all that and in a later video. But in this video, I guess we will get back to doing what we do. So guys, I know this is a short, just little we're still alive video, but we do have the new camera. We're gonna have the stuff for the diesel bug, and there's more stuff than that. But we're gonna fix that next video. I have a haircut, so that's good. And yeah, the Seahawks, they're going to the Super Bowl. That is Danielle's team, or Danielle's dad's team. So we're gonna spend that with some friends, have some friends coming. They actually came, they're in the DR now, so we're gonna go hang out with them. Super Bowl party. There's my babe.
Yeah, but they're at a cool resort.
Yes. We're on a old dirty boat.
Hey, look, I washed the ceiling. It looks actually really nice.
Oh yeah, the ceiling does look great. Yeah, we're doing a deep dive into dirtiness.
Doing some spring cleaning.
Yeah, so.
Because the DR has a lot of dirt in the air. I couldn't believe it. I mean, my rag's turning black.
Yeah.
So.
Boat needs some TLC. We're gonna get on that, and gonna be
I'm counting as us for y'all.
Oh, the first one was horrible.
You guys are gonna tear them up. Yeah, the first one had like 12 us.
This is my.
So this is like
This is my fourth attempt at this video.
You got better.
I supposedly have software that will come out, so that would probably be jump cut hell.
It would have been one of those counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of them were all in one sentence.
Some of them were one after another. But we're gonna do this. There's one of them next week. A full video fighting diesel bug and other things. And y'all please take care.
Bye.
Wave goodbye to the front porch light. Said see you later, this is our flight. The kids are grown, the house is too quiet. Yeah, empty nester now, ready to riot. Traded the lawnmower for a salt breeze. Found a new home between the palms and the trees. It's Chris and Danielle charting a new course, from the comfort zone to the boundless source. No schedules, no rush, just the sun in the sky. Got a budget to balance, keep the dreams flying high from the